Everybody loves to hear that they have performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. This is one of our favorite reviews that we've been given. We love hearing we are doing a great job as we work very hard for all of our customers, providing the best service possible and listening carefully to their customer needs. But don't take the reviewer's word for it. Discover the difference for yourself. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that's become our specialty. We hope you enjoyed our small section of the Internet today. We look forward to talking to you.
Good morning, guys. I am at a job changing out this condenser. I'm going to put in a heat pump. It's at a double wide trailer. We've already changed out the coil, so I can reuse that. Just got to take the R22 expansion device off. We're just going to use the piston from the heat pump. But I feel like somebody's watching me. That's a lot of damn cats. That's the leader, I guess. He's staring me down. Take it easy, pal. I pumped down the unit. Go ahead and separate the suction and liquid lines. I taped them off so no debris gets in there. What I'm going to do is go inside and take out the TXV, the R22 TXV. Take it off, go ahead and hook everything back together. I'm not going to put the piston in yet. I'm going to blow things out and then put the piston in, just so it doesn't catch anything on the piston.